When it comes to responsive design mobile-first projects, there is nothing more popular than Bootstrap. It's the most popular HTML, CSS, JavaScript framework available on the internet today. Bootstrap is the ultimate resource for better, faster, stronger web development. Bootstrap is mobile-first, and mobile never looked better. Bootstrap has a mobile-first approach, which really allows your web content to work well on mobile devices, everything from phones, tablets, and all the way up to desktops. Bootstrap has over a dozen reusable components. Easily incorporate these components into your code. The CSS styling is smart using an advanced grid system. And the JavaScript components available within Bootstrap can really bring your web content to life. This course does come with a warning. Once you start working with Bootstrap, it's going to be hard to go back to regular web development without it. Let us introduce you to the benefits of using Bootstrap. Let's begin.